But we got through the day yesterday. It's Wednesday, y'all. Good morning. Hope everybody's good. Hope everybody woke up good. Hope everybody's in a decent mood. I am. It's gonna be a good day today. It's a dude in the box truck. Good morning. Looks like we're doing a Lake Oconee run today with about 9 stops. Nothing's crazy though. Ain't nothing. There's no full house jobs or nothing. I think the biggest job might have 10 windows maybe. Might be all right. Well, this is one truck, 4 stops. Ain't nada. Then that's the other truck with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stops. So what's that make it? 9. We're right outside of Athens on Lexington Highway. Headed to Crawfordville first. Check out this bench right here. It's a Caterpillar, but it's a Volkswagen Beetle. That's cool. You want? You're good to I'm good to bust it.
Absolutely. That's why I'm
all right. Cool. It's busted.
All right. Thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
All right. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. He told me to unlock it. I'm just trying to do it without breaking the door.
Yeah, I'll take it.
That shit stuck. It's because somebody put a screw in it. I'm just letting you know they put a screw in the door frame.
Perfect. Just close it best you can. There's no worries at all, dude.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thanks, man.
Yeah, man. They're not fit side by side.
They put it on top.
Huh?
They put it on top.
Okay.
Hey, close.
That's her. Got 4 stops done. 5 to go. Got 2 drops in here. One's on the other truck, one's on this truck. So I sent them the address. Gonna split it up, make life a little easier. Maybe not a little easier, but a little shorter. Just like yesterday, another spot y'all probably seen 1,000 times. We got our mountain office we drop a lot of stuff off at, and we got our Lake Oconee office we drop a lot of stuff at. Little parts and pieces. So while we were in Reynolds, they did one. While I'm here, they're doing another one. Man, what a sweet view. They got it going on over here. I like it. It's beautiful. The door was locked. Had to shimmy through the window to see the view. What's up, y'all? Overall, pretty good day today. There wasn't nothing too heavy. I got to break a door, some glass, literally a B&E. Wasn't too shabby. Glad you guys are joining me. It's a dude in a box truck. Appreciate everybody that subscribed. Appreciate everybody liking, watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Got all kind of crazy content that I would have never guessed I would have got. Like today, the salesman told me, I'm sorry, not the salesman, the builder told me he had to replace the door anyway. So go ahead and break it to get in, because the key wasn't there. Okay, I'll take it. But no, for real, thank y'all. Each and every one of y'all. See y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good day.